Welcome! In front of me I have TicWatch GTX and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right. So scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.